Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to use text-to-speech in CapCut. To use text-to-speech in CapCut, first of all, launch the CapCut app open on your mobile device. Now from the home page, tap on New Project to start a new video or select an existing project from your project list. After you are done importing the video in your timeline, tap on the text button at the bottom of the screen. Now, go ahead and tap on Add Text. Type in the words you want to convert to speech in the text box. You can also select fonts, style, effects, and animations for your text. After you are done with your text, go ahead and tap anywhere on the screen and tap on the tick mark. You can now go ahead and position your text by pinching in or out and placing it in a desired area. Now, make sure that you've selected your text layer on the screen and then tap on Text to Speech at the bottom of the screen. Select a voice from the characters given on the next page. I will choose Jessie here. Now, tap on the tick mark and your text to speech has now generated. Now go ahead and select the text layer. Press and hold and drag it on your desired area within the frame. Now, tap on the play button to preview your video. If satisfied, tap the export icon at the top right corner to save or share your video. So that is how you can easily turn any text into voice using CapCut's text-to-speech feature. This is perfect for narration, storytelling, or adding funny voice effects to your videos. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.